Hello everyone, myself Sahil Bhosle, proud student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. In this video, I am going to share information on the country Iran. Moving toward the map of country. Iran is a country situated in the Middle East and it is a Muslim country. Iran shares its border on the north by Armenia, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan and capital C. On the east by Afghanistan and Pakistan. On the south by Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman, and on the west by Turkey and Iraq. The flag of Iran is also known as three-color flag. The flag has equal horizontal band on green, white and red color with national emblem in the center. The takbir written 11 times each in the Kufi script in the white at the bottom of the green and top of the red band. Tehran is the capital and largest city of Iran. Tehran is located in the northern part of the country. Tehran is Iran's economic, cultural central as well as major industrial and transport center of the region. The currency of Iran is Rial. Persian is official language spoken in Iran. Besides this, Turki, Khabri, Arabic and Luri language are spoken. Some facts of Iran. Iran has the third highest number of World Heritage Sites in Asia. Iranian carpet is world famous. The adorable Persian cat breed is originated in Iran. Iran has the highest volcano in Asia. Iran is known for its massive reserve fossil fuels. Some major cities of Iran. Chabahar. This city is situated on the Makran coast of Iran. Chabahar is officially designed as a free trade and industrial zone by Iran. The transit agreement signed by India, Iran and Afghanistan allows Indian goods to reach Afghanistan through Iran. Isfahan. Isfahan is a city in central Iran, known for its Persian architecture, tiled mosque, historical building, monuments, painting and artifacts. Shiraz. Shiraz is a city in south central Iran, known for its literature, history, garden, wine and flowers. It is also called a city of garden due to gardens. Some tourist destination of Iran. Golestan Palace. It is a historic museum. It is also called as Rose Garden Palace. It is one of the historical monuments in the city of Tehran and World Heritage Site. The National Jewelry Treasure. It is a museum in Tehran. It opens to public in 1992. It is owned by Central Bank of Iran. It has stored Iranian national jewelry. Tabiat Bridge. The Tabiat Bridge is the largest overpass in Tehran. The 270-meter bridge connects two public parks. Tower of Silence. It is also called as Dakma. It is a circular race structure built by Zoroastrian. Kandovan. Kandovan is an ancient village in Azerbaijan. It is situated to the foothills of Mount Shahaz, near the city of Osku. The houses of village are made up of rocks. Some famous dishes of Iran. Kovida. Kovida is an Iranian meat kebab made from ground lamb or beef, often mixed with ground pepper and chopped onion. Dizi. This is a meat and beans broth dish baked hundreds of years. It is essentially a stew made from lamb and chickpeas with tomato base. Zeresh Pulao. This is a rice dish usually made with saffron and barberries, along with chicken and tomato stew. It is sour to taste. Bagali Pulao. This rice dish is made with saffron, beans, green dill and it is usually served with lamb. This is one of the most popular rice dish in the country. Faluda. It consists of vermicelli-sized noodles made from starch in a semi-frozen syrup containing sugar and rose water. It is often served with lime juice and pistachio. Thank you.